What if, instead of focusing on getting rich, you focused on getting better? Many people chase money by following the latest trends, looking for quick wins, and prioritizing short-term success. But real wealth comes from delivering value, improving continuously, and creating something so good that people can't help but talk about it. First, stop chasing the next big thing. Too often, people get caught up in chasing trends, new marketing tactics, and the latest business buzz. But those who truly build lasting success know that advertising alone can't create a great business. The world has changed. We're all connected, and real influence comes from offering something so valuable that it naturally spreads. Think about the most successful businesses in the world. Many of them barely spend on advertising. Instead, they create products and services that people love so much that they naturally spread the word. The focus should be on over-delivering instead of simply selling more. Dusra, focus on long-term growth, not short-term wins. Some businesses operate like summer crops. They grow quickly, generate cash, and then disappear. Others operate like apple orchards. They take time to cultivate but yield fruit for decades. Are you building something that will last, or just trying to make a quick profit? Sustainable success comes from building a foundation that will support long-term growth. Think about this. When you invest time in perfecting your product or service, you create something that people want to buy again and again. If customers keep returning and referring others, you don't need to rely on expensive marketing campaigns. 3. Millionaires don't wait for motivation. Waiting for motivation is a trap. Successful people don't wait to feel inspired. They take action and let momentum build motivation. Have you ever wondered how much time you waste waiting for the perfect moment? Millionaires don't wait. They take action. Think about a professional athlete. They don't wait to feel motivated to train. They just follow their plan, no matter their mood. The same applies to business and investments. The power of daily habits. Success isn't about one big moment. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every day. While an average person might spend hours watching TV or scrolling through social media, successful people use that time to learn a new skill, read books, or build valuable connections. If you're not investing in your growth daily, you're falling behind. The most successful individuals dedicate time each day to learning, networking, and improving themselves. How could you apply this in your life? 5. Facing challenges head-on. Most people avoid uncomfortable or difficult tasks, asking for a raise, making a sales call, or facing failure. But high achievers have a different approach. They see problems as opportunities. They know that the bigger the challenge, the greater the reward. Instead of avoiding these situations, they tackle them head-on because they understand that these actions are what lead to growth. Think about any major innovation. The people behind them faced resistance and setbacks but pushed forward anyway. 6. Surrounding yourself with the right people. Your environment plays a huge role in your success. If you spend time with negative or unambitious people, you'll likely adopt their habits and beliefs. Successful people are very selective with their social circle. They seek to be around people who challenge them, inspire them, and push them to grow. If you're surrounded by people who settle for less, it's time to rethink your environment. Find mentors, peers, and a network that pushes you to be better every day. 7. Creating a business or service that people can't stop talking about. Instead of spending all their energy on marketing and sales, successful businesses focus on making their products and services so good that customers naturally refer them. When you exceed expectations, people talk about you. Whether it's a great experience at a restaurant, a game-changing software, or a course that transformed their lives. A great business isn't just about making sales today. It's about creating something that keeps customers coming back and referring others. If you constantly have to chase new customers because your existing ones don't return or refer, your business model isn't sustainable. 8. The key to building real influence. When you truly believe in what you're offering, when you know your product or service is exceptional, your ability to influence others skyrockets. When you recommend a great book, a movie, or a restaurant to a friend, it's because you genuinely loved it. That's the same passion you need to bring to your business. People can tell when you're excited about what you offer, and if your product is incredible, they'll feel like they're missing out if they don't take action. Conclusion: if you want lasting success, stop chasing short-term gains and start building something remarkable. Focus on getting better, not just richer. Invest in your skills, your product, and your customer's experience. Over-deliver, create real value, and success will follow.